Writing the treble clef. The treble clef is a symbol that is used to organize the upper range pitches on the staff. This clef is also known as the G clef. But why is it called the G clef? When creating the treble clef on the staff, notice how the clef circles around the second line and stopping at that line. This is showing the musician, theorist, or musicologist that the second line is pitch G, directly above middle C. There is a simple trick in remembering that the treble clef is also known as the G clef. Here is the trick. Watch how writing the capital G in various but stylistic ways several times, gradually evolving into the treble clef. In writing the treble clef is done in one continuous motion, but is divided in 4 steps. Before writing the treble clef in its full appearance, let's look at each step separately. The first step is by drawing a dot or a small ball below the staff. Keep it small, but large enough so all can see. The next step is to write the lowercase j in reverse motion. The hook of the J will be below the staff, and the top of the J is slightly above the staff. The third step is to write the letter P. The semicircle of the letter P needs to meet the stem and the 4th line at the same time, as well as appear skinny or thin. The 4th step is to make a curlicue that starts at the 4th line and circle to the left downward. Next, curve inward to the right in the 2nd space. Bounce upward on the 1st line, then curve inward to the left. Turn downward slightly above the 3rd line, and lastly, stop once the curlicue lands on the 2nd line, known as the G line. Now, it is time to combine all 4 steps into one continuous motion. Start with a dot, circle around to spring into writing a J in reverse motion, which aligns with the letter P, and finish with a curlicue to line G. Again, start with a dot, J, P, and a curlicue. Last time, dot, J, P, and a curlicue. This includes on how to write the treble clef.